From the atomic level to the factory floor, Oak Ridge National Laboratory is redefining how materials shape America's future. ORNL's materials science innovations are pushing the boundaries of performance and durability with discoveries that meet the most extreme demands in energy, defense, and industry. But we don't stop at discovery. ORNL uniquely connects materials research with world-class advanced manufacturing expertise, accelerating the transition from concept to commercialization. Whether it's building tougher materials for national security or lighter components for next-generation transportation, ORNL is delivering real-world solutions that strengthen America's competitiveness. Partnering with industry, we help scale new materials faster and secure the domestic supply chain with smarter, more efficient production techniques. At ORNL, materials science and manufacturing research works hand in hand, from bold ideas to the technologies that power America's future. Big science, big impact.